Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to go offline in Bigo Live. Whether you are ending your live stream or simply want to appear offline to your followers, first of all, launch open the Bigo Live application on your device. Make sure that you are logged into your account as well. After you are signed in, go ahead and tap on the Me button at the bottom right corner of your home screen. From your Me page, go ahead and click on the Gear button at the top right. From the settings menu that pops up on the screen, click on Privacy. Inside Privacy, toggle on the button right next to Hide Your Online Status. Soon after you turn this on, your online information will not be displayed. You'll be able to appear offline on Bigo Live while browsing or watching streams. You can appear to be online whenever you want by toggling off the same button right next to Hide Your Online Status. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.